So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if battery of your laptop is not charging. That means it may be stuck on 0% or some specific charging value. Now in order to get that fixed, just simply right click on the start menu and click on this option of device manager. Inside here, just simply extend this option that says batteries. Once you do it here, you will see this option that says Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. Just simply right click over there and hit uninstall. Don't worry, nothing will no important data will lost in your case. Just simply uninstall, hit on this option of uninstall device and simply give a restart to your system. Once you do it, you'll notice when you get back again to that option, you will notice that it will come back again, and this time your laptop will definitely get charged. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.